Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete previous Windows installation files on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you've upgraded to a new version of Windows, or typically new update files that are saved in cache or saved perhaps somewhere on your computer. So in the event that there were issues with the upgrade, you could revert back. So in most cases, it's pretty safe to just remove and delete them, especially after a certain amount of time has passed. I've never really had an issue with it. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in disk cleanup, best match, should come back with disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to select the Cleanup System Files button. And now there should be areas in here that say Windows Update Cleanup as well as Windows Upgrade log files. So for the Windows Update Cleanup, that's usually the bigger one here. So this will give you a description that Windows keeps copies of all installed updates from Windows Update, even after installing newer versions of updates. Windows Update Cleanup deletes or compresses older versions of updates that are no longer needed and taking up space. There may also be an additional option here that says previous Windows installations. You can also check mark next to that, and that operates in a similar manner as the Windows Update Cleanup does here as well. Once that's done, you just make sure it's check marked in here. You want to select OK. And it's going to ask you sure you want to permanently delete these files. Select Delete Files, and give us a moment. And once that's done, I would suggest restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.